for coming to our iConiCraft program. Today we are going to be making wizard staffs. So we are going to have all the supplies in a kit, and if you want to be able to do this craft, you can sign up to get a kit and pick it up at the library. And let me tell you about the supplies we're going to be using. We're going to have a bamboo stick like this one. We're going to have a little globe to go on top of your wizard staff. We're going to have some streamers. We're going to have some blue paint. I put my blue paint in a bowl right here. And we're going to have some feathers. All right. So what we're going to do, I've already done it, so you can just see it here. But the first thing you need to do is you need to attach your globe on top of your staff. So what you do is you put some tape around the end of your staff, and then you use a little bit of glue, and you slide the globe on, and it will stay there. All right. And then the next thing you do is you can paint your staff if you want to. This craft is really open-ended, so you can make it look however you want. You can use whatever supplies you have at home or the ones that come in the kit. It is totally up to you. You can be creative because you are the wizard of your own imagination, which means you get to create your staff. So I'm just painting my staff blue because I just want some color on my staff, because I think a wizard should have some color in their life. What about you? What do you think? And you can use any color paint you want. It doesn't have to be blue. It can be purple. It can be orange. Whatever you like best. So, all right. It's kind of fun to paint bamboo because it takes the paint really well. Okay, so I'm only going to paint this much for now. You can paint your whole staff. You can only paint part of it, or you can even do different colors all down the staff, whatever you like. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some streamers. So I'm going to just lay my staff right there. And I'm going to cut some streamers because I want some streamers on my staff. So I'm going to do some yellow. Got that one. I'm going to do some teal. So I'm going to cut that one. And you can use ribbon, you can use yarn, whatever you like. But today I'm using streamers. I'm going to do pink. So I've got yellow, teal, and pink. All right. There we go. So I'm going to take my ribbon. I'm going to put it all together at the top. And then I'm going to take my staff here. I'm going to wrap this right there at the end of my staff. And I've got some duct tape. I'm going to take that. I'm going to wrap that around my ribbon so that way it'll stay. All right, now my staff has some ribbon. Look at that. See that? All right. Now, I want some feathers at the top of my staff. So I've got an orange feather, a pink feather, a blue, and a yellow feather. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take another piece of duct tape. I like this tie-dye duct tape I've got. I'm going to take that and I'm going to start sticking my feathers in, just like that. Just stick your feathers on the duct tape wherever you like. Wrap it around. Look at that. Now my staff has some feathers and some duct tape. And that's how I like my staff. I like it to look just like that. What you can do is you can paint the outside, or you can even sprinkle paint on the inside of your globe before you attach it, so that makes an extra colorful element. And like I said, you can use whatever other materials you like, and then you have a wizard staff. Super easy and super fun. Thank you for coming to our iConiCraft program, and happy wizarding!